Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see a list of all groups joined on Facebook. So let's get started. So what you can do is just simply open up your Facebook application. After opening up your Facebook application, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on that, just scroll down and here you can find this option which is see more. Just tap on see more. After tapping on that, now you should find the option which is groups. So just tap on groups, and after tapping on groups inside for you section, so you can find for you in the top of your screen. So inside that you will find the groups that you have joined. So this is for the groups that you have joined. And the second option is discovery. So in this section you will discover some new groups that you can join, and these are the events so you can invite in your group. So if you have created a group in Facebook, what you can do is just easily invite anyone that you like inside your group. So these are the following options that you can find inside your groups. So that's it guys, this is how to see a list of all groups joined on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.